Welcome to the AI Hub, a podcast for AI-driven side hustles designed for IT professionals like you.
From cutting-edge AI tools to practical, no-nonsense tips, each episode brings you closer to turning tech into income.
Tune in to discover smart and sustainable ways to boost your career and income with AI.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Hub. I'm Larry.
And I'm Amanda. Glad to be back, diving into some cool AI stuff with you again.
Today we're tackling Google's latest AI project, and it's one that really brings back some childhood memories. We're talking about chess.
Yeah, chess.
Yeah.
But this isn't your grandpa's chess set, you know? The one with the dusty pieces missing a pawn or two. Google's using their Gemini AI to shake things up in a big way.
And honestly, I'm kind of geeking out about it.
Yeah, it's definitely caught my attention too. This isn't just about AI crunching numbers to beat grandmasters. It's about merging AI with that uniquely human spark.
Creativity,
exactly. We've got some articles here about a new project from Google Labs where you can design your own WN custom chess pieces using AI. They're calling it Gemini Imagen 3.
Hold on, back up a second. Google's actually letting people design chess pieces with AI.
Yeah.
How does that even work?
It's actually pretty straightforward. Think of it like those AI image generators you've probably seen online. This project takes that concept and applies it to chess. Users can create a whole chess set based on any theme they can imagine. So instead of a plain old knight, you could have a knight that looks like
what?
Like a giant slice of pepperoni pizza.
Okay, now you're just messing with me. Pizza Knights.
I am not.
Serious?
I'm totally serious. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine a rook that's a stack of sushi rolls or pawns that look like little cacti.
All right, I have to admit, that's pretty wild. But is this just a novelty? Or is there something more to it?
It's definitely fun, but there's a deeper layer here, too. This project gives us a glimpse into how AI might partner with us in creative processes. It democratizes design in a way that wasn't possible before.
Democratizes design, huh? That sounds pretty profound.
Yeah.
What exactly do you mean by that?
Well, traditionally, you'd need artistic skills and software know-how to design something like a chess set. But with this project, anyone with a Gmail account can become a designer. Just type in a prompt like, create a queen that looks like a majestic lion, and Gemini will try to generate it.
So you're saying anyone can harness this powerful AI to bring their creative visions to life.
Mm-hmm.
It's like having a personal art studio powered by AI.
Exactly. And what's fascinating is that the model doesn't always nail it perfectly. Sometimes the results are surprisingly accurate. Other times they're, let's just say, interesting.
So there's an element of surprise involved. You don't always know exactly what you're going to get.
That's right. And that's part of what makes it so engaging. It's like a collaborative process between you and the AI where you're both exploring these uncharted creative territories.
Okay, I'm officially intrigued.
Yeah.
So you create your wacky pizza-themed chess set.
Mm-hmm.
Then what? Can you actually play a game with these AI-designed pieces?
Absolutely. The game itself is fully functional. You can play against another person or challenge the AI at different difficulty levels. There are even timer options, so you can play blitz chess if you're feeling daring.
Wait, so I could have a super intense speed chess battle with my army of pizza pieces against an army of, let's say, sushi pieces. Man, this is making chess way more exciting than I ever imagined.
It definitely adds a new dimension to the game. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This whole chess piece design project is actually part of a much bigger initiative by Google involving AI and chess.
Hold up, there's more. I thought designing bizarre chess pieces was already pretty out there.
Oh, this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
Google is teaming up with the International Chess Federation, or FIDE, for the upcoming World Chess Championship. They're creating a coding challenge using Google's Colab platform.
Colab, fill me in. What's that all about?
Think of it as a collaborative online space for data scientists and AI enthusiasts. This challenge will invite people to develop their own AI-powered chess strategies and pit them against each other. It's like a tournament for AI chess brains, if you will.
Wow. So on one hand, they're making chess fun and accessible for anyone to design pieces. And on the other hand, they're tapping into some serious AI firepower to push the boundaries of chess strategy. It's like they're hitting both ends of the spectrum, right?
Exactly. But there's one more piece of this puzzle that's even more mind-blowing. Next month, Google is rolling out a new feature called conversational chess.
Conversational chess. Now you've really got my attention. What in the world is that?
Well, you know how you can already play against AI in the game itself? Conversational chess takes that interaction to a whole new level.
How so? You mean I can trash talk the AI while I'm playing, because believe me, I've got some choice words for that silicon brain when it beats me.
Well, it's not exactly trash talk, but you'll actually be able to play chess by having a conversation with Gemini. Imagine saying something like knight to e5 and having Gemini respond with its next move all through natural language. No more clicking or dragging pieces on a screen.
Whoa, so it's like having a chess buddy built right into the AI. You can strategize and analyze moves together just like you would with a human opponent. That's insane.
It really is. And this feature is going to be available to those with a Gemini Advanced subscription, which tells us a lot about the direction Google is taking with this technology. They're aiming for a more interactive and advanced AI experience that goes beyond just playing a game.
So let me get this straight. We've got AI designing crazy chess pieces. We've got AI battling it out at a world-class level. And now we've got AI casually chatting with us about chess moves like it's our best friend.
You got it. It's a pretty wild time to be following AI developments, wouldn't you say?
It's like we're living in a sci-fi movie, but it's actually happening. I can't wait to hear more about this. Okay, I need a minute to process all of this. My brain is officially exploding with possibilities.
I know, right? It really makes you think, doesn't it? We started with AI designing quirky chess pieces, but this goes way beyond aesthetics.
Totally. It's like they're taking this centuries-old game and injecting it with futuristic superpowers.
Exactly. And it's not just limited to chess. This project is a microcosm of a much larger trend. AI becoming more accessible and integrated into our everyday lives.
So if AI can help us design chess pieces, what else could it do? Are we talking about AI composing symphonies or painting masterpieces next?
Well, we're already seeing AI being used in all sorts of creative fields, music composition, poetry writing, even generating movie scripts.
Hold on, AI writing poetry. Isn't that stepping on the toes of, actual poets? I mean, isn't art supposed to be about human expression and emotion?
It's a valid question and one that sparks a lot of debate. But think of it this way. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, including text, music, and images. By studying the patterns and structures of human creativity, AI can then generate its own unique interpretations.
So it's not just copying or mimicking existing art.
Yeah.
It's actually creating something new, something original.
That's the idea. And some of the results are pretty remarkable. I've seen AI-generated poems that are surprisingly beautiful and thought-provoking, of course. It raises all sorts of questions about authorship and the nature of creativity itself, but that's a conversation for another time.
Okay, I'm definitely going to have to check out some AI poetry after this. But how does all of this tie back to the Google Chess project? It seems like we've jumped from pizza nights to existential debates about art pretty quickly.
It all comes back to pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. If AI can master complex tasks like understanding language and creating art, why not apply those skills to other domains like game design?
I see what you mean. It's like they're taking these fundamental AI building blocks and finding all sorts of unexpected ways to apply them. It's like saying, hey, if AI can write a sonnet, maybe it can also design a killer video game level.
You got it. And that's exactly what's so exciting about this field. We're witnessing the convergence of technology and creativity in ways we never thought possible.
It's like AI is becoming this ultimate creative collaborator, pushing us to think outside the box and explore new possibilities. Precisely. It's not just about creating cool gadgets or software. It's about reimagining the way we create, the way we learn, and the way we interact with the world around us. This Google Labs project is a perfect example of that. They're taking a classic game like chess and giving it a futuristic twist, blurring the lines between the digital and the physical.
It makes you wonder what other traditional games or creative pursuits could be revolutionized with this kind of technology. What about AI-powered board games that evolve and adapt as you play, or AI-generated video game worlds that are uniquely tailored to your preferences?
Whoa, now those are some serious next-level ideas. Yeah. The possibilities are endless. But it also makes me wonder about the potential downsides. I mean, is there a risk of AI taking over creative fields entirely? Will human artists and designers become obsolete?
That's a big concern for a lot of people, and it's a discussion we need to be having. But I personally believe that AI is more likely to augment human creativity rather than replace it. It's like having a powerful tool at your disposal that can help you brainstorm ideas, explore new styles, and even overcome creative blocks.
So it's more of a collaborative partnership than a hostile takeover?
Exactly. It's all about finding ways to use AI as a force for good, to empower human creativity and unlock new forms of expression.
That's a much more optimistic way to look at it.
Right.
But it also highlights the importance of understanding and shaping the development of AI.
Absolutely. We can't just sit back and passively observe as this technology transforms the world around us. We need to be actively involved in shaping its future, ensuring that it's used ethically and responsibly to benefit all of humanity.
Okay, now that's a message I can get behind. It's not just about building cool new tech. It's about using it wisely to create a better future. We have a responsibility to be informed and engaged citizens in this rapidly evolving AI landscape.
Yeah, it really makes you think about how far AI has come. I mean, from pizza-shaped nights to potentially revolutionizing creative fields, it's a lot to wrap your head around.
It really is. And this Google Labs project is just a great example of how even seemingly simple ideas can have some pretty far-reaching implications. It's like they've taken something familiar and comforting, like a chess set, and used it as a springboard to explore the vast potential of AI.
It's like they're saying, hey, if we can do this with chess, imagine what else is possible.
Exactly. And that's what makes this whole deep dive so fascinating. It's not just about the technology itself, it's about the possibilities it unlocks for us.
I feel like this project is a good reminder that AI isn't just this cold calculating force. It can also be a tool for creativity and expression, a way to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of what's possible. Absolutely. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more creative applications emerge, things we can't even imagine right now.
Who knows, maybe someday we'll have AI helping us design entire video games, compose symphonies, or even write novels. The possibilities are truly endless.
And that's what makes this field so exciting. We're just at the beginning of this AI journey, and it's going to be incredible to see where it takes us.
So there you have it, folks. From designing outlandish chess pieces to exploring the future of AI in creative fields, we've covered a lot of ground today here on AI Hub.
It's been a really great conversation, and I hope it sparks some curiosity and maybe even a little bit of awe in our listeners about AI.
Absolutely. And if you're as fascinated by the world of AI as we are, be sure to subscribe to AI Hub for more deep dives into this incredible and rapidly evolving landscape. We'll be back soon with more exciting explorations, so stay tuned.
Welcome to the AI Hub, a podcast for AI-driven side hustles designed for IT professionals like you.
From cutting-edge AI tools to practical, no-nonsense tips, each episode brings you closer to turning tech into income.
Tune in to discover smart and sustainable ways to boost your career and income with AI.